Hallo guys. Het is lekker vrijdag vandaag. Laten we beginnen seks. Mndavaso. Guys, tatine. Ke batla to bua ka haile. Guys, bitsa banyana baka. Tlonkwan banyana baka. Ba ba nyetse le ba sa nyalwang le ba batlang lenyalo kaofela. Tlonkwan bana baka re to bua vandag. Izana pa bantwana ba tlonkwan kaofela. Tlonkwan bana baka, tlonkwan. A ke la tsore ke rata la tswa mos ki bua ka sex ne. El ke Vrydag ki bua ka sex ne. Le ke Vrydag. Guys, le ntshwarele last week. Na ke tsebe ntho ena hore jwale se ke le slalane hape se ke ba emotionally for everything. Na ke tsebe se hlakae. Hai khona guys. Na ke tsebe se hlakae sefapano. And the last time ke ne ke qetela holla, that was the last time mohlane ke le Swaziland be ke ya Maputo ka bike ke tsamaya ka bike ka ya Swaziland ka tloma Swaziland ka ya Maputo, from Maputo ka re Botswana, from Botswana ka Namibia. Ha sa le ke qetela holla ka nako eo ene ke be ke plela ke never cry anymore. A ke tsebe na ho etsaetseng nowadays nene se ke thola I'm crying tears of the down here. Ke ne ke bua le nna ka Monday happy. Ka Friday ke entse ntho TikTok ne. I mean Monday motivation. Ke be ke delete like Vrydag be ke delete ne. Ke delete because ne ke le emotional because ne le Valentine ne. And then ke batla ho lla mo. I wanted to cry here. Kaki delete a video at it. And then Monday happen. Kaki so down to F of the this one is getting worse. This thing is getting worse into our Nene se kita be ku tlile bohloko and then 29 ka o nesa na le bohloko man. Man. Self meeting of one-on-one. You know the problem. How get out horror of God or solo go into a color. Or one of the only the problem or the entertainer or the other. The cow fricanya. Retabile. Haleki Araba Tabayalebu, Hasi Joleki Araba. Last week, ki Arabile again. Last week in Arabile, mo Facebook, begilo Araba who TikTok. So I can look up guys, ngasi dulike 121 every day. Ngasi kholiki yes ante. Ngasi dulike tole Araba mona. Last week kibuile kata baye on yalebu and then again ka TikTok on bekibuaka yana so no. Legati dulike nkadisa Fatman. Ai. So guys, retobeka mdavas. Guys, retobeka mdavas. Hey, bana ba go gae ke batla re lokise taba ena re batla re lokise taba ena hore ntho ya motho e kene e le skunu what's my in skunu lona skela tsamaya bothata ke batla tlo lokisa ntho tsena fanda re batla tlo lokisa taba ena ya ntho ya motho le talent ya motho le school ntho ya motho ile school ka Sesotho e hlwekile la nkutla and then ntho ya motho le school ka nete o bore a ikene ha ikena ntho ya motho e betswa e se kgakeleditse dipapatše ai ha bana ba go gae se so theta ngesipapa re tlo bua ka dipapa tsena dipapa tsena dipapa tsena dipapa ai tlo bua ka tsona fanda tlo bua ka tsona a mere a re tlo bua ka dipapa tsena tlo bua ka dipapa ai hey ha emang hey ha emang icon last time ne le mpotsa le batla tseba Sejiso Dr. November Sejiso Novisto Sejiso ke eng ngwana go gae hell but no ke phazamiswa ke dipapa man man skela kama no skela kama nigga ham skela kama Nteleng qetang ka yona nteleng qetang ka yona le lona le tlabe le bone hore ntho ya motho school ne ebile le isunne pele kena le isunne ni ngamisile kuri o bona hore kun le ni bona kuri o yentse bonnete le wena o yentse spring cleaning by yourself own you personal ne o boyentse self in kuri mo no sunne microphone wa motho o sunne ngamisile skon le wena o bona o le paki o boya microphone o nyamela ha o gutla o soletse guys miss me batlang jwale phofu ya induna e batlang mo phofu ya induna ifunani ngoku apha kona why le tsama ka diphofu tsa di induna bantwana bam kutheni why le kinya di induna le diphofu tsa di induna le di thuso why Smangel nagidikelo Smangi agidikeli uswaka na kya halala now ke tlo le jwetsa ho etsala eng ne ke tlo le jwetsa hore ho etsala eng ne ke tlo le jwetsa dintho tse serious tse dangerous tseo le sa tlong tseo ho sina mang kapa mang a tlo le jwetsa ke tlo le jwetsa tsona. No one can tell you that. I'm the only pastor who's allowed to tell you the honest truth, man. I know hore le banna gale ke ba galmela le a tseba kre gale banna ke ba khalmela ke re bontate akukho right skela tsamaya bo skela tsamaya man skela tsamaya le bontate gale ke ba khalmela ne le bontate gale ke ba khalmela ke re bontate tsamayang leonto leonto ke gale ke ba le bana ke re bontate hambami guys leonto lilo ntho intoni kaneng ke ena ntho ena batho modimo o khaola letlalo ba bitsang wa e ba le ya jwale ke masturbation go se se reng kana e bitswa nna ntho ena ba guys ya o khaola letlalo because le bontate ba sa batleng ho ya for circumcision bontate ba sa batleng ho ya for circumcision bontate ba o le bona ba na le bothata ba hore ba tla ba tsama ka phofu ya induna ne but ya bona ya repua phofu ya banna ba sa batle go circumcise phofu ya bona ya induna ya repua I couldn't know me. Bontate ba sa circumcise induna ya bona ba e repa irepuwe tjena ka foreskin induna ya bona ne ba e repa tjena o so tla bona ha o bula tjena o repolla o bula hore hey a se ka induna mona nna gale ke tsama ka induna nna ne ke tsama ka induna ne ke tsama ka phofu ya induna ngwana ko gae ka rakho rankana le mthoko mo itse ha ya ba ekhaya nxa bathi masokolusa itse ba re ruisa le bolong batho ba hae ka ra pele ke le bolong bana ba go gae ke kopa ke pote ka doctor ka ya doctor nyengwe kana go eno doctor ne le 150 ka re doctor tlosa repela gaola repela doctor fihla gaola repe bana ba go e le hore le nna ke tsama ka induna tse le nna le tsama ka induna ha o ibula tjena o no kopana le phofu ya induna so o kopana le induna so ntwana ya induna ya phofu ya induna ke bona ka re batho ba ngata ba itsotene and that thing is dangerous guys very dangerous bomme bontate guys that thing is very dangerous ya di vagina tsena le phofu ya induna le di penis tsena le phofu ya induna guys it's a turn off ke tlo le jwetsa I ke hane basadi bana le ntho re bitsang ba bitsang kang e bitswang ntho eno e bitswang cream pie cream what cream in ne o tla thola hore ke sosonyana e creaminyana kapa e white nyana sosonyana ne hona le sosonyana yone but leona ha ya tshwanela ho ba too much guys ha ya tshwanela ho ba too much guys ha e se tletse lekweba le ka reng ke mageu ha ya tshwanela ho ba jalo ha ya tshwanela hore ha o ntsha ntho ha o ka ra motho o bothola hore ina le mageu No, ke bona discharge. Renali discharge ke bona discharge. Discharge is something else. A re thuso, a re phofu ya thuso kapa White Star. There is nothing wrong hore re kopane le lona le ona le data. Ke tseba bitsa cream. A ke tsebe na le language ya teng. A ke tsebe bitsa eng, ne? But it's dangerous when it's a little kweba jwale. It's a little kweba. O fumane jwale ntho a o itletse penis ya motho e tletse dipapa ibile ka re ke le kweba jwale no ine kweba o thole le le kweba le guys return akre when re buile ka so sauce cream soda white I get it. I'm afraid sauce cream soda white I get it. But in some of the language in here. Now it's dangerous guys when utola now so cream I get it. What cream pie, yes, cream pie, yes, cream pie. Thank you so much. When I'm mama I get it, but you are right, cream pie. Now, the problem, I have chanela hore ibe ingati likwebu jwale ka re ke jwala ba skhomfane I have chanela about too much. You know why? Because in term it turn off penis because sometimes motho ka ba eva sexual wena ne no ke sometimes motho ka ba eva sexual wena ne especially batho bana ba have sex ne and then aba be matso a hae tsena let's say motho ka ba eva sex tsena then aba be matso aba phamisa body a hae and then aba icheba hona le batho ba rata go icheba ne ku ka bantu bathanda ukuzijonga ne hona le batho ba rata go icheba kana go have sex o thole le icheba o sheba partner o sheba everything ya how o sheba your dick wa sheba dick ya how. Problem is when it's what is a khotsi is a hlahamane is a tshwere dipapa tse tsena jwa. Problem e ke haiba it's all lata dipapa jwale it's all lata induna it's all lata with a miss meal it's all Tata ke haiba it's all lata with a miss meal sona na we hey ay hey high comma and you know the college is why because kite holona last time na kibalo no akare guys sex e batla clean. That is number one. The only time we explore sex when le batla explore sex number one ke le jwetitse ka maga ka mangata ke clean. Number one ke clean. Number one, there is no way we can explore sex le sakala considerable clean. Ya baba ngani ke ke considerable clean if le ke la considerable clean kana ko ya sex ke batla le jwetsa niks. There is no way we can explore sex and there is no way we can gona go yetsa di new style o tla ka di style tse ntšha a tlogona a tlogona so langa lentse le na di induna o thole motho a kentse penis ya ye ile spoon kun penis ya motho ile spoon kun ile spoon tse ile school then hai kena ka ho wena then hai gutla and then hai gutla e gutla e sena le dipapa tse e sena le nduna kapa e tla le thuso kapa e wiza miss meal guys Yay! Kale mo se seng gale. Gale. Let's va le bese le expire. Niyazi bisi, let's va le bese le expire. Le signile niyazi bisi ele mo shekile. Let's va le bese le signile. Mali mo shekile ibisi, mali mo shekile le bisi ha le signile. Yes, yes. O bo kenya ntho ya hao e betla e hlele elobisi e betla e dutse ntho le bisi lane le the le bisi lane e ka ribile le ya foot e ka re le ya ntho hona le bisi le ka reng le o bone ka ribile ke ntho e bone ka re ke jwala o bone ka tubu jwala o bone ka re ke jwala ba se confine o bone e dutse bo dutse ntho ka reng jwala mona o bone ka le bisi ene mo shekile o bone e dutse mona guys amasi wena sana amasi uyawazi amasi hey uthole nthawu nawe ngawijonga into yakho kurawe ishebo nthawu uthole inali amasi inalibisi libisi liditsitshela lithe inkomazi hayi and I'm going to tell you why. Why? Because some people batloela bankanto ya robala ke di spiritual husband de nka di ntho robala ke di spiritual husband anya. Abana if uno robala ke di spiritual husband, you are going to have a serious problem. Once only the spiritual husband, you are going to have a serious problem. Bon, but most ya batho ba nang le hababili a cream pie. I just make cream pie, yes. Hababili cream pie. Marbona, baba le papa, baba ne papa. Most ya batho na le spiritual husband. Baba le problem ya di papa bon. Abantu balala ne spiritual husband. Baba ne papa. Baba le once o roba la le di spiritual husband. If una le problem ya di spiritual husband, o tloba le di papa tse. Vagina ya ha tloba le di papa. And the talk was the papa is a turn off. If papa is turn off, the turner off. You go for the papa the turner off. Yo. Husband. If you have spiritual husband, one automatically discharge. That is number one. Honestly discharge, I get to say I'm not sure, but honestly discharge, could discharge and spiritual husband. Honestly discharge spiritual husband, and that discharge, guys, it's a turn off. Iya bulala, irobal a penis yamonna. Once ungaba ne papa, iwiza miss mail. Kapa induna kapa thuso kapa robot a penis ya motho ke a jwetsa bona ya lala ke tsiba ka nna ya robala it's ke tsiba ka nna ya lala tu ene o tsibe papa tsena dina le dula mona mos papa tsena di dula bomo di hlala mani hona mbani ntho hunto over China. Papa Tani agree the monto kena. So when you change, let's say lebata change lebata it's a style, lebata change lebata we at Antong. Ubokopa na linto how as a man it's already papa che mutabari baby I'm good way. wena unkutle next a unkutle next women don't only squid, some do cream a unkutle next ke qeta ho hlalosa ona jwalo there's a difference between that cream pie. There's a difference between a cream pie le papa yoni. There's a difference. I agree from experience also. When I was even how monna how so heavy sex le basadi ba bang, not unless we kill our heavy sex. Na ki bua from experience. I agree na khale ki tsamaya. There's a difference between that cream pie le di papa. There's a difference, total difference. It's so. And about what is it? The papa say most of the time the also papa matter infection. I'm not sure, but take it man. Most of the time the papa say the also discharge. An abnormal discharge, abnormal, a discharge, abnormal. And now, discharge edulankahari, ihlala phakathi. And then there's a difference. There's a difference between cream pie le papa tse ke buang ka tsona. There's a difference. Cream pie ke a tseba yona. Ke a tseba ene. There's nothing wrong ka cream pie. But the papa, yo, when I also boni vagina na the papa when, and then I continue a better penis out even the papa chi. Yo, Then if you know when Lindsay really busy, mutabaru baby, kikuparichi incheche, and then abari lichin. Yes, abari lichin. And maybe you were not aware. Papa tena you are correct. It's discharge eating eating. We think yeah, you're right. Yeah, 1 minute. So that discharge, guys, most of the time here to the spiritual husband. Now the problem is when we're not able to have sex, then we decide to know le position. Your partner avanza penis ya high, okay, Arbelimanes, Linese Kilena Ari. No, I'm a nurse, and the vagina will always clean itself is by releasing such lunadity into the Mabatu, ausness. Ke re hona le di papa tse tswang ke the spiritual husband. Tsamosha bamba sadi ba robalwang ke the spiritual husband. Discharge ya the spiritual husband mabatu. If fapane le a normal discharge, ke a ikopa guys, ke kopa le mamela. A discharge, a normal discharge, a lead discharge a the spiritual husband. Ia fapana. That is why really a discharge enkhang hampi utlore discharge yana enkhang ona le basadi bankhang hampi abanuka ka kubi uthole discharge ya enkhang because that discharge is total, it's a total different discharge tswana le tsena tsa lona tsena tsa when the vagina is clean ka buyona. I understand that. I also understand the cream pie, but ki bua ka discharge ya di papa guys o thonore jwale yena ke papa e dutse tsena kur ene e yang khale papa ya teng hai guys ya ka no dlala ngathi le botse nna kre nna khale ke tsamaya le fatsile I am menes a go emehle I am menes ai ya ka no dlala ngathi runa khale re di bona dintho tseno le tlo botsa runa a ke runa khale re kopana le batho ba different khale re kopana le batho ba different. I know that is why ke explaining ka a cream pie, cream pie, ya discharge, a normal discharge, but there's a difference between ya vagina and di papa. Utolo ibile dili dingha di papa taten zinuka and most of that kind of discharge the spiritual husband. When only the spiritual husband the roba la luena, but this year that thing come wena. The church here, the spiritual husband, it's not okay. Dr. November explained that. No, but I understand. People there. Blessing. I will be paid. I'm not Khalid Samah. I'm not Khalid Samah. That is why kere kenyaka. Kena le tswai le ke le semedisang. Strict ke le bitsa futa. Wa arubela for 3 days kamo fahlo. Le 3 days for mo private. Wa arubela. On sa discharge here near the spiritual husband. Discharge ya the spiritual husband. E tla o yetsa hore guys tlo ke le botse potsona before ke ya hola. Le re why hona le batho ba roba lwang once. Umdala lwe kanye nje ha qeta roba la ke motho ba disappear abanyamela hona le ntho tse le sa di tsebe lona hona le ntho tse le sa di tsebe next but a re kwele him ke batla o tla tabeng ena him now ke batla o tla tabeng ena it's a turn off the same way le lona guys le lona when o kopana le penis ya monna ne ina li dipapa marte repuem because the churches banna ba bangata bana le foreskin bana le tsona dipapa tseo bana ba bangata bana le foreskin bana le tsona dipapa tseo now here's the thing. Now when ubula foreskin ya munna ne one foreskin ya munna ha munna asa circumcise una le dipapa tsena le smell dianga dipapa tsa munna yeo asa papa zianuka guys ngicala ningicalela nindive papa tsa munna ya sa circumcisang dianga dipapa tsa zianuka zianuka za papa now when ole musadi let's say o batla blowjob a motho ao o batla mo blowjob a batla yetsa then o bokopana le motho ya nang le foreskin o bo tshwara foreskin ya hae o bo bula tjena automatically papa tsane di tlo disturb because di papa tsane di anga they are distracted di papa tsa penis e nang le foreskin the same way vagina e nang le di papa an extra meal of induna of a wizard means meal Leon says a turn off. That is why it will be a very difficult thing for us to explore into the sex later. It will be a difficult thing. Recoba, we are going to have a serious problem because you can imagine when Urwa chincha, mutuawur baby, kikupari chincha, then our sheba, penis out, itletika di papa, itwele papa, idutika di papa, ihelinge papa, ziheli apem kalwe. Utole di papa diente necklace. Di papa diente necklace. Di dutimo. Di papa. Di papa. Di papa tela. Di duti. Di adile. Di dutimo. Papa eni. Di dutimon. Papa yani. Turn off! It's a turn off! Turn off! One! That is why. Hold on about tomato was sorry. I think the papa the necklace. Ufba the papa tan in Dunayani do Simon. Yen some crab. Fumana papa yense iditi mona penising ibile dutse mona e entse mqwebo e entse necklace pa induna and motho wa teng a ba re baby please hle ke kopa mmafi yo wa mafa ka ngela tshwantse o netse bo wa mafa a o qetile uyayazi xa uncamisa indlebe yomntu emdaka utsiba uile usuna tsebe ya motho efeile yeses utlela le grabule e na le letswai uyayazi indlebe o rukinya le metsebeng endlebeng yeses utlwe letswai le grofa o viki o ihlela letswai le ditsoe and o tshaba le o jetsa motho o tshaba le gore because motho o tla tene o sa o tene ko motho so o tshwanetse o etsa ka ditaelo o kila suna o kila suna tsebe ya motho yeses o tlela le gravole e kopane le letswai wa mosuna a qetile Poisia, yes, yo. Also, when it tawele etshweu, ha o qeta ha le qeta o e sebedisa. E be ka re ke mechanic o thole tawele etshweu ha le qeta o iphumula ka yona. E ka re ke mechanic o na lokisa dikoloi. Ai, yo. Let's Uncle Racon. If unali butatana lina unali antia tatuan washing. Ubuka riena no tantu iketitu na washing. Ubui putar antia fika utore. Utwalini wele makeni. ka le taona le motho a tshwana le nna o na le anti a hlatswang washing o bore ka nete anti a ka fihle a ka sheba thaole o tlo re no go tla nne go le mechanic Pois, yeah, o di so ka 3 days. O di so ka 3 days. O di so ka Hey, Poshi, I'm betting. Narna le bo anti ba sebetsang ba etsang washing o tlo reng anti a fumana tawele tshweu a fumana ile ya mechanic I don't know Kay way para saber esa causis. Oh, ay, qué huevón, petile. Acá para saber esa causa. A la causa de refetulele, si pendulele. Yo. Nigga, money. Ay, hey, I can't even tell you, boy. That's clearly. Hey, Mutabari, Mutabunga Barry, baby Gupa, rechinche. Either rechincha, either fetu, either hiking Kisheba, Ntoyak, Penisiak, Kailichi, Ilichi. Kinegudli wapu, yawa. Kuri, ayanyeta awe, kuri ayan notice, kuri ayan notice or ito, kuri kaya tiba or na kuteding, ona didin chote tante diam penis ne, ona chote ring, au dieta, au kopana dito ano utoren. Di dia penis ya zai wisa tu, but emi ona ni rahaki bona kir, kishaba penis ya kakara. Kinekutu iwa with immediately of effect. Yawa, kaunga. Motitere okupare change, oitere change, okupare to doki. I sala khumami karwa rape. I sala wana bato khumami ikarwa rape. Na kambe kewi. Iwele with immediately of effect. Ayasinyama yawa puyalada yadika. Enumtu ngokusedunusile muthu ena sa tona ne ka ngwena uyemetsu utlwa ntwe ikena ke robetse ngwana go ga ilele ubuthongo ba sebusuku irobetse broko ba o qetela motho e sela tonami e tunisile o emetse utlwa o na le ntho e kenang ya bile le ntho ai khona ka re papa tsena tsona ai khona tsena tsena papa ke tsena ile papa hlala phansi ke papa ene dula le pela makhoko mo papa ene ke re ke papa tsena tse strong tse difficult ke papa tsena tse stubborn tse dulang pela makhoko mo motho entse baby come on I baby come on la ke tsere ke ntse ke qeka ke dia qenga ke bua hla kampanye e mahleng fuke ya re le khale indune nyetse ya re le khale yena ke induna ya ke phofu yena ke papa yena ya hana ya lama ai ya hana ma ya hana ai ya hana ai ne hana straight so guys hey motabotsa re jwale motho modimo ho etsaetseng a ho etsaetseng jwale ke lebe se ke nana ka ntho tsa kereke ke lebe se ke nana ka ntho tsa kereke di le tsa disturb. So guys, are qetelleng topic guys. Are qetelleng. Guys, ijaza ta kena lona le tswaileng eh. A kena lona. Oh yeah, kill it. Yeah, kill it. Kill it. Obana tswele lo ngotse futa ne le tswele na lo ngotse futa ne wa le bona lo ngotse futa and then ha le qetile ke le kentse di la bona mo ke kentse di ntho mo la bona ke kentse di tlamatlama mo o bona tswele ke le fa ba sa di ba kerekeng or ba tsama ba lo futisa di private tsa bona ka lona ne le din lense that kind of a discharge ya the spiritual husband guys that discharge ya the spiritual husband it will spoil vagina ya how it will spoil kuku wa bohloko it will spoil your vagina ka bohloko and you know the sad part yeah sure die of the thought of swing of die of sleeping for for the good, it die for swing. That is why kereke ke sebedisa letswaile. Number 2, ke sebedisa dintho tse. O bona ntho tse. O bona ntho tse. Ke fa basadi ba kerekeng dintho tse. Ba hlape ka tsona. Ba ntshe dintho tseo ka di private tsa bona. Ba ntshe di spiritual dintho tsena tsa di discharge tsa di spiritual husband and spiritual in ka dintho tsena le ka itswaile. So guys, that is why most of the time but what's a who explore sex, because sex is clean live clean. Sex is about clean. You need to be clean. If you enjoy sex, you need to be clean. That is number 1. Double baby, a dangerous, very, very dangerous. Very dangerous, guys. Very, very dangerous. Scala trusted the YP, guys. Scala trusted the YP. Scala trusted the YP. The YP is good, but you cannot trust it about the YP or no. When we put mutka YP, mutiare, ubusule meaning the YP. Only put mutiare ka the YP. YP can trust if we kata we wiper, no. If we kata we wiper, no. Because ntoni kile kaluvuta wanaka dito no hadibi skunu dito impundu ngawde ohlambe kuseni how ka dihlatshwa useni, and then don't think for the whole day tlabenze di skin di tlabenze di lo school, no. If dito no hadibi skunu forever next, even if uka dihlatshwa useni emi wa hlambe, but obvious. So we cannot rely tabeng ya di wipe, especially when it's about to explore sex alone. Remember, kitse huluna purpose ya explore sex ne. Does men have spiritual wives? Yes, 150%, Susan, 150%. But the spiritual husband, the spiritual wife, who banna. The affect the penis sabona, the inga strength sabona. Mona ya robala ni spiritual wife. Penis ya erection ya be strong. Most ya bana ba robala ni the spiritual wife. The penis sabona had be strong. Erection ya bona be strong total, because the affect the penis sabona tot her whole. So yeah, the other affect when I say most ya bana ba bangat. Erection ya bona affect the spiritual husband. So guys, don't rely on wipe. There is no way impunde as biskun. The the two how discover school just because when we like clean akadi wipe how no le musebetsi, therefore how fit mo yante le partner out then le lo ever sex le be le lo extra be li play la no when now se be the wipe no no. No. I been right. The tunu hadibi skunu 100% kadi wipe. Remember, ki said the wipe. Okay. Ki polybonsa something fair. Ki polybonsa something fair. Ki polybonsa something. Stella Tamar. Kitse huluna kata tilene kare ne keep been about time ne now ne bon Liboni, guys. Liboni. Bon. Bon. Check. Yena. Kipupu. Ne. We are toilet. Once. Ne. How the deal? But, bon. Now, dintho tse kana tse dangerous. One, wena o tlo nagana hore o cleanne ka di-wipe wena. O tlo nagana wena o cleanne ka di-wipe wena. O tlo nagana hore o cleanne ka di-wipe. But the problem is the person. Especially when lona batho ba ratang di-doggy style. The problem is when your partner ne yena ya ka morao a tlo etsang, because how now tunusa how to nama o tunusa how to nama ne how tunusa how to nama di tunu tsa how dia a ke tsenga hlalosa jang ke tsaba rwa kana a ke tsenga le tla itukisetsa jang. When we at a doggy style, the intro the two the dangerous. Ki di papa le into le di tolo tse sing clean ka tsela right. Di tolo guys ke la reliant o onto o di white, especially when le batla explore sex ya lona. Guys are going to taba explorer. Remember the purpose ya explore sex is to make sure that le pamisa standard salona sa sex. Why? Because of thank you so much. The purpose here we explore sex. Remember, purpose here explore sex. It is because rebata we saying rebata who we keep on. Because when mutual ali good sexual, lelo na le good, lele babedi le good sexual, le end up le khala who spend that together. That is why ngile ka le jotsa ntwena guys. Kere that is why banna balona aka patala girlfriend, a patala side chick ya high. I patala a lot of money. A buka Durban, kapa buka Cape Town, kapa buka Zanzibar, kapa buka wherever. A good sex, musadia monati sexually. Munaka mubuka, baka buka baya somewhere. Because you know when ubukile musadi ubukile, utamelele musadia good sexually. You are not going to auto lose, little enjoy sex alone. Purpose, ya we explore sex. Pure fella later or little li enjoy. So we enjoy and who reduce our rating. Who re spend now go together, guys. But ba click on sexually. most of the time ba enjoy or spend nako together. Ha hona monna ya kankang motho ya seng good sexual abalo buka le yana Cape Town kapa Durban kapa East London kapa Dubai. Bona ha hona motho ya kankang motho ya seng good sexual ba tsamaya le yana aba no let's go for holiday re le ba raro re le ba bedi fela be re ya holiday ba to se good sexual ke go jotsa tsfapa bona if you're not good sexually, no one can date you. I mean, can go somewhere, Luena, about no, let's go out for a week. No. When a man are let's go for a holiday, you must know that you are good sexual. You are good sexual. If let's go for a holiday, let's go for a week, somewhere, you must know that you are good sexual. And most of they prefer to go limuto when acid pirotom. Why? Because they know how you look on a little explore, little have sex, little enjoy sex. So purpose, yeah, a sex a good sex, guys. Yet or enjoy or spend and go together. That is the advantage. A good sex, yet or who enjoy le spend and go together. Guys, I'm saying this from experience. When mona are let's go for holiday, they rather go to holiday. Let's say chick isn't a wife. They rather go to the holiday. Let's say chick, not a wife. That is why you rather go to workshop. I go for workshop. But side nika ya high. Because there is no couple the whole day. Basa no click sexual kolondo. Ayo bona. Kibwa pelanda temdim. Kibwa pelanda temdim. Aye, and was ukasi tamale mutu be the whole day. Let's connect sexual. And look, I want to tamale mutu connecting sexual. When it, he must not disappoint, Pastor. No, when it also he must not. When you are the whole day, whatever you go for whole day because you want to enjoy this person, and whatever how you feel like one little better we enjoy because it will be a new environment, new place automatically. When but buy the whole day, the first thing that comes to their mind is sex, or we are going to enjoy ourselves. We are going to enjoy ourselves. That is why even if lekatama beli fika somewhere, belieta the activity, lekalama the zip what, lekalama in, but the reality of the truth kore mansibua kapa mutiara leatama letoma to enjoy sex. So one of the things some of you amatota when kapa banna baluna banga hambinani baskeba tamaya luluna hali good sexual. The partner rataluna, this gets at my liluna, highly good sexual guys, highly good. About to baluna, basketball bata haufian umdogenda fully takwak, utolo mutawa high interested or ube haufian them. It is because I do good sexual. Khelebza, high on term. How huna mutia buka. Lua yourself as a woman. You cannot go to the whole day. Utama we the whole day in the motor. Yes, some good sexual. It's impossible. Next. Most of the time, holidays, but why and holidays, but traveling together is the people who connect sexual. Because they are traveling involve sexual, involve sex. Holidays alone, the involve sex. The trip is alone, the involve sex. So there is no way, look at a man, but let's enjoy sex, let's connect the sexual. So that is why Retsonala re-improve sex at own. That is why Retsonala leading new style, Retlaka style is so that the Retlaka connect, leading partner at own. Guys, we need to remember sex sex is hloka creativity. Guys, I'm not lying. Sex is hloka creativity. Sex is hloka creativity. That's all. Sex is hloka one thing. Creativity. And creativity, when Lily will create a toilet center, but the toilet center, if Lily clean, number one, keep it clean. Number two, Yabube didn't take a little someone, enjoy the toilet center. It's when Lily Sibu, turning a nine, Kabube deal. Then once Lika master rana sex, but la master sex, Yaluna. Motwao awi enjoy ya sexually. Once your partner can enjoy you sexually, that person how to hesitate or someone how to hesitate or the whole day how to hesitate to go anywhere. But guys, we need to remember again, it is not right to live monati sexual, ube good sexually, but ububali a bad personality. He said a good sex must also go together with a good personality. Because number one, if you are good sexually so, but you are not good personality, usna a good personality. Again, okay, tola wena usebediswa, uiswa the whole day, who travel all about, usna mushangu yetua musadi. That is the sad part. In like here too, guys, some of you, you're good sexually, but Leonel is very dangerous. For you to be good sexually, but to be a good personality, Leonel is but travel Luena, but Luena, but we say the whole day, but bouke, but robale balale nawe, but have sex and haba ketil, Obosna Mahaba Kobitakawe. That is why we've got people, but good sexually. They are very good sexually, but kaufela habona bana baba ki komita kabon. Hona basadi ba good sexually. Hona bana ba good sexually. Hona basadi ba good sexual, but the problem is the personality. Now utolo personality ya mutu. Yes, or this person wa murata, she or he is good sexually, but problem is good personality. Now, Leonel, it's very dangerous because if you're good sexually, but only a bad personality, otlaba side cheeky ya dilim, otlaba a loyal side cheek, otlaba a loyal side cheek. What's what loyal side cheek? It's a job. Let's what the loyal side cheek. Loyal side chick. Kitana teo. Adi Joel. Adi Joel. Ene ubule lwakatsona. Kuyakhweletwa ngazo. Motho wa Joel, motho wa ha batle o jole. Ha batle o mochite, ha batle o mofebele, ha batle o tsamaye. Habatle or uyetse ene na uya kukhweletela wabulela ka wena but ha qetile ha tlo nyala. You are a loyal and permanent side chick. Most ya batho ba monate sexual maribala le a bad personality e ba di loyal side chick. Loyal side chick uza kuthanda la tata o tla o rata mara ha o ratele o phela le wena o tla o rata o za kuthanda o tla o fa tšhelete o tla o yetsetsa ntho ngwe le ngwe but angeke a se commit ngawo because if sex in yetsa hore le thole lenyalo le thole commitment guys ke kopa lo jetsa net guys hona le batho re kopaneng le rona re kopaneng le bona rona ba good sexually ba good hona le batho ba good sexual mari utholore personality aya ba right ayikho right indlela thetha ngayo indlela eziphethe ngayo indlela aphendula ngayo indlela behave ngayo tsela behave ngayo utholore over forced to be a loyal side chick. Side chick, o tlo thola motho ya o ratang. O za o khweleta nga o tla boulela ka wena. O tla o etsetsa ntho nngwe le nngwe. You are going to be a loyal side chick, a loyal side chick, but you'll never, no man that can commit ka wena. O thola hore o na le kuku e monate, you are good sexually, but ha ona motho ya batlang ho commit ka wena. Re na le batho today ba uswang. Now qetelo ya qetelo wa tlo etsalang o tlo ithola o so uswa wena, o so sekenziswa wena. Ba tlo ya ka wena the whole day, but they will travel wena, ba tla travel wena. They will go to Cape Town, they will go to Dubai, they will go everywhere, but they will never commit ka wena, because a good sex goes together with a good personality. Good vagina, good penis, a good vagina goes together with a good personality. Guys, kopaneng kutlwa. Ke bua from experience. When I about to buy you kopaneng le bona, ba neng ba na le dikuku tse monate nate. O tholore kuku yena o lla ka seZulu, o lle ka se China, o lle ka Afrikaans, o lle ka goeiedag, yergan, daar kom jo. But only Africans. Only South Africans. But you can't see committee here. But the only thing you can thank is a loyal side chick. So guys, sex, it's very important to be clean. Resta pegadi to the right, especially in Rabasadi. Baba Mbaluna, Hona Basadi Basapanga makes it clean, out clean fair. Even a Shalabuta, the doctor, but Babanga, Tabapriv, Babla Basadi, no, you need to use a clean water. Don't have any problem. But again, you need to consider when Ubonor, but now, discharge is abnormal. It will sabotage you. Discharge it will sabotage. If you don't change, if you don't take that, ya discharge away serious, it will sabotage. So guys, if you don't change, if personality is one of the things that is very important, especially to those babatang manyalo, babatang commitment. Personality, it's one of the things very important. It is not only a sex a good for you, something to focus on with attention, but also your personality. It a bapala role e bohlokwa haholo, especially lona ba batlang honka ba batlang ho commit. Pulega re o reng ha o lla ka tsha ho baby baby ai tla o lisa ka tsha ena ona batho tla o lisa ka tsha ena Lisa China when over House of Lauro, Uta Satsubu, baby house, clean. That is number one. Clean. Ditono. Even if how the hlapa, lao sa kinye monwana wa how deep. No one wants to settle Lily Rabele. Lao sa kinye monwana wa how deep. Mar make sure that mona upper feature ditono how finyan mon at least makube clean. So that when they create the doki style, na e clean, na di bonu saka ke clean. Impundu zam dia clean. Na saka ke clean. Jale ba tholang o reng ka bona. Ba ntina hampe bana ba tholang. Ba ntina hampe. Na ditono tsa ka ke di cleaner guys. Not like a toilet. I can slap. Even if nka when you can, if you can go to my bathroom, without thola lady sepa na lady vaslap. If nka iphumana ke ile toilet, my mistake, because I don't like to go to toilet motshehare. I go toilet hoseng ha ke qete be hlapa. I ke qala ka toilet pele. Nna ke qala ka toilet before. Now saying ke qala ka toilet, then I qete be hlapa. Then if the situation can force out to toilet, motshehare ka ya kerekeng, I make sure that ke hlapa. If ke tswa toilet, then ke be ke sebedisa di-wipe. Beke ya ka di bike e teng ka mama. Every time ke na le di-wipe ka mo bekeng ya ka. Even if nka sebedisa di-wipe, mara ha ke fihla ka tlung, I make sure that ke a hlapa. Ditono tsa ka ne ke di hlatswa hantle nna. Ke di hlatswa hantle. Hanyane o tshwantse monwana o kene hanyane ditonong mona. Hanyane, because I keep a ntho ya peanut butter etla ke hlatswa fela mona ka vaslap. I get that one. Hanyane so mona now can who be clean so that keep it comfortable. But guys, keep it going. Once resi clean, once rena into when re have sex, be ready bona, ready experience traumatizer. Those things they will affect you sexually. They will affect you. They will affect you sexually. Abona bo skhwama ikakanga ditono, the smell ya ditono fumane o yentse doki style motho ka morao monko o ntse tla dinkontsa ntotse di tla affecta guys. They affecta dintotse betliso di tla affecta impundu ngazinukayo le di bonwa dinkhamana. They affecta di tla affecta sex ka tselengwe hlotseng di affecta impundu afanala ngonuka guys. Ha di bona di afanala yo ya di bono ke di rata ke di rata mara and the funnels nuka impundu they are turned impundu zikulu ke di rata bonzo go rata and the candles on your tat o sa di giri bone ke nete mara le teng also sa di hlokomele man o bone bile ka re di tswa musinyane bone ka tse ziphuma umsi ha o tunisitswe entso doki style o bo bona ka re di etsa mistinyana tsena smell sane se etsa mist hlambani batsana masihlambeni into zakuthu ahlapeni di bone bana ba go ga ahlambeni ke a hlamba bona ka re bile ona le musinyana tsena o ntse o kunkella tsena o bona nga tse ku musinyana hey le tla sala ha ona motho a tla batla go tsamaya le wena mo ya o qetela ke lo bontsha perfume tsaka tlongelo le bontsha perfume tsaka when o branded malipa ai malipa shaba di perfume tsaka a ke se di bona la hantle na di bona la hantle guys ka di bona perfume a ke tse di bona na kitse ne only perfumes. Now go to the wine. And we listen. I got one ring. Or no shoes as again. Okay, let me show. Arabona hand. Bon. I'm surely the bonnet. I make sure that like a shopper, I get to the coupon, can I lead the perfume, tabody fella. Ne, just sabody man. Oh, now dear Bonahal, Cabonamo. Nkhang nukan kaman nkhang hamnat arkwale nkhang nukan kamnandi man when ule mosadi nkha hamnat have a good smell. Guys, have a good smell. Hali kana di kobo le motho o be le a good smell. Ya kanukunuki ibokwe kwela nkga dipudi malona. And baba mbana uthole le wiki yawo engapudi wiki yawo kudali neta gale koloba ithola metsi engapudi kuluki bokwe ikare ke pudi ya lithuela ka rona le pudi ya lithuela mona ya sangoma ikare rona le pudi ya sangoma eke alula mala ndiscourage Otole ka rona le pudi ya lithuela. No, I don't mind to or musi are ke botitse or musi kwa e otale motho anale otale motho a gapudi e ka reng hona le lithuela mona we can we get hamper o tell me ana le wike ka renja le thuela Kubai, I love you. Arkapen, if your discharge is abnormally, if a discharge is abnormal, if discharge is abnormal, please, phone and then go choose. If you are a spiritual husband, please keep on phone and go choose. If you are a spiritual husband, the issue is a spiritual husband, please just call me, go choose, and then 073 202 My number is 073 202 9079. Number yak. Lonabana is spiritual husband. Please, Bualin. I want to help you. 073 202 9079. 073 202 9079. Ke tla romela Real Korea project tsena tse hlapang that kind of a discharge. Ke di romela. Ke a romela tsona ke di Korea. Number ya ka ke 073 202 9079. Guys, kannete a re ben clean, re explore sex tsa rona, o be monate, re enjoy di sex tsa rona, and then ha re qetile banna ba ska ba di sia ba ya Durban, ba ska ba tsamaya le dinyatsi mara ba tsamaya le lona. Basadi ba ska ba di sia bontate mara ba choose go tsamaya le wena. Your man should choose you, not choose their husband over you. No village. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, and stay blessed. Mudima le bless our whole. Kita number ka ki 073 202 9079. 073 bye motho rona, bye bye Malipa, bye bye motho wa me. Thank you so much, guys. La bana maraksa tina di penti ba nyametse mohlanke re blumara ba tla hlaga ka tsatsi le leng ba ntina hore. Thank you so much. I love you. And number yenu ya ka ina le WhatsApp, guys. Ina le WhatsApp ka WhatsApp ena ka etsa. The last thing you if the couple, even if the couple is 3 fela, le 3 le 6 couple, the couple is 5. Now let's say 5 couples. Le cheat somewhere piking kapakai ni inviting ke tla tlo le joina. If the couple is 5 inviting anyway, le ka invite Joburg, Pretoria, Botswana, kai I will come ka bike ke tlo le tshakela ke tlo tshila le lona. The couple le ditsi somewhere, guys, invite ke tla ke tlo le tshakela ke tlo dula le lona wherever Lesotho, everywhere ke tla guys. Thank you so much. I love you. Thank you. Emily Puleng, Malipa, Unati, Punu, Diamonds. No, highly invited. You can challenge. It's for free. Limpopo, I can also come. I can also come. You know why? Why Kikota? Because I like riding a bike. I can ride a bike. So for me to go to Limpopo, if I have to come to Limpopo, it will be a great pleasure because let's say to around. I can't I'm busy in the ministry. But if I can invite, if I can have an invite, Limpopo, I can come. Kabaiki, I can come. I can come on Friday. Beki buka beki roba la Saturday. Then beki khutla. Beki roba la Friday beki khutla. So if the company is Saturday, ngali joina. If it's Friday late, ngali joina. Everywhere Pretoria, kai ngali joina because the thing is that kitamaka bike, so bike are expensive the petrol and a king. It's just that sometimes so if I can have an invite to Pretoria, that will be a pleasure for me. That will be a blessing to me. If I can have an invite Limpopo, that will be a blessing to me because sometimes I like so if I totally invite a ke kgathale re le ntshella petrol kapa le ntshelle I don't care ke tla itshella ka petrol ka nna ke tla tla ka bike ya ka ke tla tla ke le join actually ke dule le lona ke share le lona like today hoseng ne ke etsa pre-marriage counseling ke a di etsa le tsona di pre-marriage counseling and then ke kgona prepare about ke bue le bona ke ba bolelle dintho tse dangerous that can affect the relationship tsa bona. So in short le ka invite guys, it doesn't matter o dula Joburg le dula Pretoria le dula kae anywhere mo le dulang teng I can come Limpopo kae kapa kae. My number is 073-202-9079 073-202-9079. Guys, thank you so much. Until re kopana ina le WhatsApp le tonrobela WhatsApp if o tswa phone ya you can send them WhatsApp. I love you. Mwah.